Please welcome to the stage Corporate Vice President, Microsoft Security, Vasu Jakkal.
All right, well, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to another RSAC, and happy 35th birthday to the RSA conference. We should just give it up for that. 35 years, oh my gosh. So in a very AI fashion, before coming up on stage, I asked Copilot, what is RSA about? Like, what should I lead with my messaging? And it said that this is the conference where trust is put in action and where defenders come together to shape security. I think that's pretty damn cool, isn't it? Well, I look forward to shaping security with all of you over the next few days. And first and foremost, thank you so much for helping us kick off this pre-day. It's become a tradition after the pandemic that we meet here, we come together, discuss ideas, we're going to share, we have a packed agenda to share what's coming up from an agentic security standpoint. We will mingle in the evening and then formally and officially kick off RSA tomorrow. But as we think about the agentic security era, we are in this inflection point of what we call a frontier world. Frontier transformation, where agents and humans work together to elevate that human ambition, to help us dream a little bigger, think a little brighter, and lift each other up so that we can accomplish what we never thought was possible. That, to us, is what frontier transformation means. And it's already underway. IDC predicts that by 2028, there will be 1.3 billion agents across the globe. Amongst the customers we talked to and surveyed, 82% are already using agents or are going to use agents in the next 12 to 18 months. And that transformation is already underway with 80% of Fortune 500 using agents across all industries, across all regions. It's pretty fascinating. But we also know as security professionals that all this innovation is happening against a backdrop of a very elevated threat landscape. Threat actors are using AI, agentic AI, to improve their tradecraft, whether it's getting smarter at recon, automating entire parts of the attack kill chain, generating and debugging malware, creating fake identities, more luring phishing. All of that is being used and is going to be used even more. So we need to stay vigilant as we think about how security must be reshaped in this era of agentic AI. Ultimately, for us to become frontier and for us to elevate ourselves using agents, it comes down to two foundational paradigms. Intelligence, which is on tap in this era of agentic AI, and trust, which must be the foundation. That trust which we all need in the systems that we rely on to work, to play, and to live. And in this agentic AI, we need to start with that trust. And at the root of that trust is security. At Microsoft, security is job number one. A couple of years back, we launched our Secure Future initiative. Many of you are really familiar with that. It started just as AI was becoming mainstream, and we realized we need to defend in a different way. This was also at the heel of some very challenging attacks that were happening across the world. At the heart of our Secure Future initiative is secure by default, secure by design, and secure operations, security all around. We must think about this pretty foundationally. We have the equivalent of 35,000 engineers working on the Secure Future initiative to safeguard Microsoft and to help inform our vision of security and the innovations we are building. Through our Secure Future initiative learnings, through the insights from the first line of defense, through the learnings from our customers, and our partners who have been hand in hand with us in these trenches, we believe that security in this era of agents needs to be ambient and autonomous. Just like the AI, it needs to protect. Ambient means it's all around you. It's infused across the AI stack. It's there with you, not bolted on. And autonomous means we're using agents and agentic AI for defense. Just like AI is reducing the barriers for entry for attackers everywhere. We know that. We know this has been an asymmetric game for a long time. We have to use AI and agents to reduce the barrier for defenders everywhere. And when we do that and lead with agentic defense, I believe magic can happen. This vision of security as a core primitive, which enables ambient and autonomous defense, is delivered through our AI-first end-to-end portfolio. We have 5 products which work together to bring one cohesive agentic defense platform. Microsoft Defender, our threat protection and extended detection and response solution, which works hand in hand with Microsoft Sentinel, our agentic defense platform. Microsoft Entra and Intune, where Zero Trust starts delivering secure access and identity to you. And Microsoft Purview, as Anne said, it starts with data. Microsoft Purview is our data security, data compliance, and data governance solution. At Ignite in November last year, we announced that Security Copilot, which is our agents solution, is now in the flow of the security work. Security Copilot agents are available to all our customers within these products, and we're excited about the potential that can unleash. Finally, scaffolding this portfolio and powering it is the 100 trillion signals that Sherrod was talking about, which gives us by far the largest threat intelligence in the industry, strengthened by the experts that are on the front lines through our incident response, through our managed services, and through our designated engineering. When you need it, we are there. Our portfolio helps you secure the foundations, which are so critical for you, from identities to cloud to data to infrastructure, apps, endpoints, and more. It helps you secure the people who are working and operating on this infrastructure, and it helps you secure agents as they join our workforce, because we need to extend the same protections that we have for our people to agents, so we can then all be frontier organizations. That's what we hope to deliver to secure comprehensively in this agentic AI. People, agents working together, keeping that human ambition at the very, very heart of it. Because we should not forget that ultimately this is all about the humans and for the humans.